Hello everyone, my name is Tohru, the professor of SANKEN Osaka University. In my laboratories, the Department of Advanced Hard Materials are aiming to develop the science and engineering of ceramics and nanostructured inorganic materials. One is the structural ceramics-based composite materials that is aiming to utilize the various functions for structures, and not only structures but also electrical or optical and so on. One of the recent achievements is the development of the room temperature clock heating ceramic materials that doesn't require any heating to heat the cracks of the ceramics materials. The other materials is the nanostructured oxide materials, which are developed to utilize the environmental cleaning, energy harvesting, biomedical application by tuning and designing its chemical structures, crystalline structures, nanostructures, and so on. In my lecture, I'm going to talk about the fundamental and design and tuning strategies of our ceramics and recent nanostructures material design. I'm looking for you attending to my lectures. Thank you very much.